Hey, kindergartners. This week we are going to be starting our piano unit. So I just wanted to go over a couple of things with you before we start. Our virtual students are going to be learning all from home, and our hybrid students are going to be doing half of your lessons at school and half of them at home. If you have a keyboard or a piano at home, I think this would be a great time to use that. If you don't, I have provided a virtual piano link for you to use during these lessons. I have also given you a link to a virtual text that I have written just for you guys. So go ahead and use that. If you take private piano lessons, you do not need to use that. Please use this time to practice what you would be practicing for your private teacher. And then go ahead and send me a Flipgrid video of you playing something from your private lesson instead of something that you would have done for me. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. So your fingers in piano all have numbers, including your thumbs. So your thumbs are always 1, and your pointer fingers are 2, your middle fingers are 3, your ring fingers are 4, and your pinkies are 5. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So today we're going to be working with 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to leave 1 and 5 out of it. So 2, 3, and 4 in both hands. So I want you to kind of figure out how you're going to do that. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to place our fingers on the keys next. So as we're looking at the keyboard, there are groups of 2 black keys and groups of 3 black keys. So I want you to find the groups of 2 and the groups of 3 and go all up and down your keyboard and find all the groups of 2 and 3. You should notice something, that there is a pattern. There's 2, and then there's 3, and then there's 2, and then there's 3. And you can go all up and down the keyboard finding that pattern. Today, we are only going to be working on the black keys. So when you're working with 3 fingers, those 3 fingers will go on those 3 black keys. When you're working with 2 fingers, those 2 fingers will go on 2 black keys. Now, as you move up the keyboard to your right, things will get higher. If you move down the keyboard to your left, things will get lower. Lower left, upper right. Okay, so I want you to go and figure out where you're supposed to be on the keyboard based on the pictures that I've given you in your text, and then play the pieces for this week. And when you're done, go to Flipgrid, record yourself playing your one favorite piece, and send it to me. I can't wait to see what you're going to do. I'll see you next week.